citrus child with the goodness of parents. That's what the Indian hybrid Kinnow is. Here's a Kinnow plant which my friend got from Sri Ganganagar. Many thanks to him. Kinnow is a hybrid variety of mandarin cultivated in Punjab, Haryana and Upper Rajasthan in India. This is a fruit maturing in January and February. This fruit peels easily and has a high content of sweet juice. You can easily spot them across all juice stalls in North India. The tree is largely bushy, not spanning more than 6 feet, and is capable of bearing about 1,000 fruits. Proper cultivation can make the tree grow up to 30 feet too. These are longer lasting fruits. Various names of which it is referred across North India are Kinnu or Kinnu. When compared to other citrus fruits, Kinnu contains about 2.5 times more calcium, and thus regular consumption can make your bones stronger. The peel of the fruit is as beneficial as any other citrus fruit. The dried peel of Kinnu is used in various herbal cosmetic products and is also considered an effective home remedy to treat blackheads. Kinnu juice also reduces acidity and aids digestion. Kinnu helps reduce chances of cancer and even HIV/AIDS. Super high in vitamin C content, Kinnu also lowers cholesterol. You can grow them through seeds, but getting a good grafted plant will bear fruits quicker. Go ahead and eat the king of citrus. Please follow, like and share our post using the icons below. Please do check out some great recipes at mencanmakehomes.com. Visit us at Early Progressions Faridabad to know lots more. Bye for now and see you soon for much more to come.